Hello! Check out our Silentclicks.com B2B online auction platform with easy, straightforward interface powered by Inacree. With few clicks of your mouse, sign up and create an account using your email address or just continue with Google. Once you're logged in, you can start your first zone in order to be able to create new auctions. Let's name it Laptop and confirm by clicking Create Zone. Now we're talking. Ready to go ahead with step 2? Type the name of the auction, then the offer type, and the price for an item. Don't forget to choose the category of an item and its delivery method. Finally, place item's description and a fine photo of it. Once you're all set, let's roll with the next step. Great job! Now the only thing to do is to add the list of the participants of the auction. The list of the email addresses would be enough. If you forget someone, don't worry. You'll be able to edit it later on. Now, what you're waiting for? Publish! Now you know how easy it is. Wouldn't it be great to have such a transparent and simple clearance process in your company? Employees can see which auctions are currently offered by the employer and can easily participate in them. Simply type silentclicks.com and start using it in your organization.